nice. That's a nice fire.
How you doing, guys? So, what we got today, besides it being absolutely gorgeous out in the old Brackway sitting back there, right there, we have got a radiator off of a Euclid, the old dumping, super old. We're going to be pulling tanks off, tops and bottoms, and then put some gaskets on it. This is side work, not my actual job. It's just a little fun thing I was asked to do. I got to solder. We got some friggin' whammos. Got a whammo here. Goes all the way up. I got to solder that in. Solder that one. Just gonna solder up the cores on the top, like that one. I think that's the main leak, right? I think that one's the main leak, because the rest of them look like have been soldered at least once. Anything's old, you can't really get new one. So we're gonna do a number on it. Of course, all my bolts on the bottom have broken out so far, so that's super fun. But as you, there she goes. All right, let's do this. So, we pulled the old bottom tank off. And, oh my gosh. Kind of wish I had a pressure whoosher, but I don't. All right, we'll get the top tank off. Get this bracket off. I gotta weld that other bracket. We'll be good to go. So that was fun. Every single bolt except for 3 broke on me. But that's alright. That's what we got. Oh, yes. She's dirty. Dirty girl. Yep. So, I gotta clean her out of some sort. A little air compressor probably. And got that guy. And hopefully I got enough gasket material to put on this thing. We will see. I'm gonna have to go get new bolts. That's for shizzle. Definitely for shizzle. Oh man. A gorgeous day. Gorgeous.
That's nice. That's a nice fire. That's so nice. Oh, that's a nice fire.
Focus, you silly goose. Well, whatever. You get the gist. That's the bad jobber right there. I soldered the one under there already. And then that's the one that goes all the way to the top. So I just gotta throw the old gasket on there. And pressure wash this at work tomorrow because I'm not about to scrape that out for 5 hours. Okay, so here we got. I didn't video the other side because I honestly completely forgot about it. But here we go. This is gasket material. Thrower up here. Oh, you silly goose. Alright, so I didn't quite have the 6 inches I needed, but I figured hopefully I could sneak her out like so, and it'll go on like that, and sneak her out and try and get the old bolts through it. And then I just got to make another little piece down yonder. You know, I guess I'm gonna have to trim that up a little bit, but that is how I do the gaskets on this radiator. Who knows if it'll work? I'll let you know tomorrow.